Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be showing you how to use Luma AI. Here we're currently on the website and you can see a stunning visual appeal to this website. This is because you can turn text to videos and everything you're seeing here can be made using text. So right away we're going to go over to try now and we're going to click on it at the top right corner. Then here we're going to sign in with Google. We're going to select the Google account. And right away you can see that you can type some text or an image to convert it to a video. So we're going to give it a guide and I'm just going to write up anything. And what we have here is a footballer making a left-footed strike. We're going to go over to enter and click on it. Now while this is loading, you can see that there is a high demand and you're going to be limited to 10 generations per day. And currently this creation is in queue. Now, as you can see, we've just had our generation created. We have the option to extend it beyond the number of seconds we currently have. You could also rate it if it's good or if this could be better. If we click on it to make it larger, we can see a better view of what we created. So this is how to use Luma AI.